Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. And today we want to share you some of our product. This is our injector repair kit. Yes, for this injector repair kit can be used in this fuel injector. Later I will as an example to introduce you the details. Okay, let's check the details for this one. First, look at the labels on the packaging bags. Label, first line, the product numbers. It's the 64050033500. And on this line is the product name, injector repair kit. And actually, as you can see, for this kind of packaging bags and this kind of label, if you want to design your own logo and your own label, your own packaging bags, yes, we Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services for you. You can contact us. Yes, we can make a good plan for you, and also we can help you to design it. Okay, I thought it's time to open it to see the inside part and get our fuel inject for you. Wow, our fuel injector is a little bit heavy. Okay, I will open it to see the whole injector repair kit. Please follow me, let's check it. And before you buy it, we must to ensure the quality, and we will show you the details. As you can see, we have different types of our sealing rings, right? We have different colors, different size, so it can be distinguished and fitted with a different part. For this brown one and the black one, you can see some of the sealing rings. It can be used in the outside part, right? And some of the sealing rings is used in the inside part. Our sealing rings can be better protect the injector, and it can be connect different parts, like this part and this part. It can be connected different part tightly and avoid the air, avoid the liquid, avoid the loose. Yes, our sealing rings really have the good qualities. For this part, you can see the fuel injector. For this part, it had the solenoid valve. This part, it's a solenoid valve, but in the other fuel injector don't have this one. Yep. Before we seal it for this kind of sealing rings and our product, we will test it many times, and we will ensure you our good qualities. Yeah. Also, we have 6 months warranties because we have confidence to see that we can insure you. Okay, that's all about our product details. Actually, we have different types of our fuel injector and our injector repair kit, right? If you are not familiar with the model numbers, you can send us. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About the product warranties, we have the 6 months warranties. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, and we will exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about today's product details. And each week we have the videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested about our product, if you are interested about my videos, please focus at our channel. And any problems or any questions, you can feel free to contact us. Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, and the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items, if you are interested, welcome you to contact us. Okay, that's all about today's product details. And remember to contact us, or remember to follow us at the Facebook and the YouTube account. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Bye bye.